Hello everyone, and welcome back. I made this last night, we're going to do it again tonight. This is a recipe called jacked up shrimp. We originally had it at one of the seafood places and looked it up online, and it's pretty easy to make. And this is also, Melissa's on that keto diet, however you pronounce it. And this is keto friendly, so something she can eat that's really good. So the first thing you want to do is every one of these gets a little pat of butter in there. The shrimp will actually kind of float in the butter. And it looks like this is going to take almost a whole stick. We're using unsalted butter. Last night we used the salted, but you end up, I don't know, it's pretty easy to get a higher salt intake on this diet, so going with the unsalted was just as easy. I have 24 shrimp here. They were frozen, so they're just about thawed out now. I just put them in cool water. And actually we brought these up from Louisiana. When Melissa came up here, we had bought 30 pounds of shrimp and froze it and brought it up here because it's a lot cheaper down there, and this is fresh right out of the Gulf. So the next thing we want to do is every one of these, you're going to put a little bit of garlic in there. And this is just this kind of already minced garlic. Put a little bit in each one. Once you get that done, preheat your oven here to 350 degrees. Melissa's going to come out and peel those shrimp and dehead them and get them washed up and ready to put in here. Before you put those shrimp on there, I'm just using these bacon bits. You put a little bit of bacon bits, just kind of like you did with the garlic, just a little bit in each one. You can actually, these are called jacked up shrimp. And in the original recipe, or if you get it at the restaurant, they put one little chunk of jalapeno pepper in there. But we're also going to put pepper jack cheese, which has a little bit of spice, and we don't want it to get too hot. So, and mainly because the ones I grew in the garden are super hot. I thought they were mild, but they're not. So anyway, we're not going to put that on. It would be too hot. But you can do it. That's how they do it in the restaurants. Alright, well, Melissa got all of the shrimp washed up. I've got several things going on right now. I've got pork steaks cooking over charcoal out on the barbecue. Which is also keto friendly, so I like that part of it. I can have pork steaks or cook them for her and eat the same thing. This diet, except for potatoes, is pretty much my kind of eating. I also have some garden vegetables in here cooking. I've got a half a stick of butter in there, some onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of seasoning salt. She won't be able to have the carrots because they're a root vegetable, but everything else she can eat. So, like I said, the shrimp is all washed up, so now we just take a piece of shrimp and we put it in each one of these little cup areas. Now on top of that, we're going to put our pepper jack cheese. I did this last night and I just did 4, and I think that was a little bit too much cheese, so tonight I'm going to do it like this. So I actually get 6 pieces out of one of the squares. And then you just take and put 1 square on each piece of shrimp. And like I said, this does give it a little bit of spicy. Kind of sets the flavor. Well, when it's ready for the oven, it'll look just like that. The oven is preheated to 350. I'm going to put it in the oven and leave it there for 11 minutes. So now you can all see what that looks like. Got the one little shrimp in there. It's been kind of marinated for the last 11 minutes in the butter and the bacon and the garlic and the cheese on top. These are absolutely delicious. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I'll see you guys on the next video.